Are you posting on Facebook, but getting 0 shares? I'm about to show you the one setting that 90% of people get wrong, and it's killing their reach. Stay tuned because I'll also reveal 3 bonus tricks that Facebook doesn't want you to know. You spend time creating great content, you post it, maybe you get a few likes from friends, but nobody shares it. Your reach stays tiny, and you're wondering why other people's posts go viral while yours don't. The problem isn't your content, it's probably this one hidden setting. Let me show you exactly what to do. When you're creating a post, see this little drop-down at the top that says Friends. This is your audience selector, and this is where most people mess up. If it says Friends or anything other than Public, people literally cannot share your post. The video has been posted and it now appears on our own timeline. I'll now switch to an account that is not a friend and show you how the profile looks like. As you can see, the post that was just made is not visible to an account that is not a friend. In this way, the reach of our post is being limited. Let me now show you how to make any of your existing posts shareable. Go to any old post, click these 3 dots. Select Edit Audience. Change it to Public, and save. Let's now view the post again as someone who is not a friend. As you can see, the post is now viewable and shareable. That's the difference between a post that stays dead and one that can actually spread. I'm now going to share this post using my Facebook business page. And as you can see, the post has been shared by someone who's not a friend. So, to recap, in order to make a post shareable on Facebook, you need to click on the drop-down that says Friends, and change it to Public. Now here are 3 bonus tips I promised you, that will supercharge your shareability. First, go to your settings by clicking on your profile picture at the top, then under Audience and Visibility, click on Posts and set your default to Public so you don't have to remember this every time. You can set Who can see your future posts to Public. And that means that by default, all your posts going forward will be public. Second, if you have a business or want to grow your following, consider switching to a Facebook page instead of using your personal profile. Pages are designed for public content and have better sharing features. Third, here's a ninja trick. Posts with questions get shared 3 times more than statements. Instead of saying, "I love the Apothecary Diaries," ask, "What's your favorite anime?" People love sharing their opinions.